Hello, and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial I'm gonna be showing you how to make a Christmas gift box inside Cinema 4D. It's very easy. Let's go. Drop a cube object. Change segments X, Y and Z to 8. Make this cube editable. Then, use Polygon tool. Select Loop Selection. And select the upper side parts. Right-click and select Smooth Shift. Control and drag little bit like this. Again, select Loop Selection. And we have select the middle ones like this. Right-click and select Smooth Shift. Control and drag again. Next, what we going to do is we need to create a new materials for this. Choose any color you want. First, add the base color. Again, select Loop Selection. Shift-click. And drop the other color. Next, we go to here and select Ciscoid. Then change it to Lemniscate. Now what we do? Let's move up. Scale it down. Go here again and choose Rectangle. Also scale it down. Next we need sweep NURBS, then put Rectangle and Ciscoid into our sweep. Oh, it's very big. Don't worry about this. Go to Rectangle, Object, and change the width and the height. Also change Ciscoid width. Make the sweep NURBS editable. Select the sweep. Right-click. Select Children, then select Connect Object plus Delete. Select the sweep and click Ctrl and move it down to duplicate it. Go to Rotate tool and type -90 degrees. Select those, again. Press Ctrl, and drag down to duplicate them. Rotate them. Add a new material. Color it. Drop the color in our sweeps. And now we have a simple Christmas gift box.